Hello guys, today I am with Sony Xperia 5 and Asus Zenfone 6, and I want to show you how to transfer data between these two devices. So open for the first application that you are going to use. In our case it will be application named Clonit, and I would like to send files from the Sony Xperia 5. So I will click here on the sender and receiver on the Asus Zenfone 6. We have to turn on location. Now click again on the receiver, click on the search again, and now we have to wait until the Asus found Sony Xperia, and he found it, so click on the Android share. Now we have to input the password, but we can also just scan the QR code. So we are going to do this because it will be much faster. Okay. Now we have to wait a little bit. Accept the request on the second device. And now we have to choose the photos. So I will go for 2 screenshots. So this spider eyes, and it's probably the main menu of the Xperia. So press on the start. Okay. And as you can see, it's important. And now if we're going to the files, here, images, screenshots, and as you can see, these 2 screenshots now are here in our Asus. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.